Grey skies and aluminium fucking lies. Hello to the awake, the barely awake, and the ones still licking Sky News off the window. I'm Ivor Littlecock, and here's your UK forecast. Or as I like to call it, the official cover story for what they're spraying above your house. This week's weather is brought to you by Anti-Moronic Gloom, which sounds like a prog rock album, but actually just means we're being smothered by a dome of weaponised cloud cover, courtesy of your friendly neighbourhood sky scribblers. High pressure is the scapegoat this time. Apparently it's sinking air causing all this murk. But if you look up and see grid lines in the sky and rainbows in puddles, that ain't fog, that's climate tampering with a side of nanoparticulates. Tuesday, skies stay grey, not overcast, engineered opacity. Clouds so thick it blocks sun, hope and vitamin D. Kent, you're the chosen ones. Thickest blanket in the southeast. Expect drizzle that smells slightly metallic and feels like it's trying to install firmware updates through your pores. West Wales and parts of Scotland might see breaks. That's what the Met calls sunshine. What I call it is someone forgot to switch on the dispersal unit. Wednesday, another rinse-repeat day. Foggy start for some, drizzle for others, heavy cloud for most. And if you're lucky, a cheeky bit of scale-away flicker in the afternoon if DARPA's in a playful mood. Temperatures hover in the low to mid-teens, or as they put it, unseasonably mild. Translation? Someone turned the dial on the climate control panel again. Thursday, still cloudy, still calm, still no apology. This is what we call Operation Overcast, and it's hard to forecast specific breaks in the cloud because, let's be honest, it's not weather, it's policy. You might get a few unexpected clearings over Scotland and Shetland. You know, the places with fewer airports. Just a coincidence, obviously. Friday, the big pressure blob drifts into the North Sea, letting a bit of southerly breeze sneak in. Some places will see sunshine again, but don't panic. The spray teams will be up before you can say Bill Gates needs a hobby. Expect settled conditions. That's code for they're not ready to flood you yet. Weekend outlook. Weather fronts start knocking on the door from the Atlantic. That means moisture. Not rain, moisture. Suspicious mist, rogue pulses of humidity, and the kind of drizzle that tastes like smart dust and regret. By Sunday, we might see actual rain across the west, but timing's uncertain, because this part's unscripted. High pressure's still got one hand on the wheel, but the Atlantic's drunk and texting. Final thoughts. If your garden's dying despite calm conditions, blame the aluminium mulch falling from above. If your solar panels are useless this week, that's not clouds, that's atmospheric dimming. So grab your coats, your consciousness, and maybe a copy of Why Is My Sky a Spreadsheet? I'm Ivor Littlecock. I'll be here all week, unless they scramble my signal again. Please remember, everyone, it really is super important that if you watch these forecasts and you like them, then share it for others to enjoy it as well. It's also worth remembering that when you follow Liam Stoneley, you're not just following these forecasts, you're jumping inside his chaotic brilliance, if only for a moment. I have been Ivor Littlecock. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.